Every morning, you get two choices. Stay asleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. The moment your feet hit the floor, you decide what kind of day you'll live. Success doesn't start at the office. It starts the second you open your eyes. Habit 1. Start with movement. The most successful people don't check their phones first. They move. A quick run, push-ups, stretching, anything that gets blood flowing. Movement tells your brain, we're in control today. Habit 2. Feed your mind. 10 pages a day. That's it. Read something that expands your thinking. Books are mentors you can carry anywhere. Feed your mind before the world feeds you distractions. Habit 3. Visualize the win. Close your eyes for 60 seconds. Picture your goals like they already happened. Feel that emotion. Visualization programs your brain for victory before the world even wakes up. Habit 4. Speak success into existence. Your words shape your world. Every morning, say this: I am capable. I am focused. I am unstoppable. You're not faking confidence. You're building it. Habit 5. Plan with precision. 5 minutes of planning saves hours of chaos. Write your top 3 priorities. Not 10, not 20, just 3. Winners don't do more. They do what matters most. Habit 6. Guard your attention. Distraction is the killer of greatness. Turn off notifications. Focus on deep work. Every time you resist scrolling, you strengthen your discipline muscle. Habit 7. Express gratitude. Gratitude flips your mindset. Write down 3 things you're thankful for, even the small ones. You can't feel stressed and grateful at the same time. Habit 8. Reflect and reset at night. Before you sleep, ask, what did I learn today? Reflection turns experience into wisdom. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting 1% better every day. Habit 9. Fuel your body right. Your mind can't perform at its best if your body is running on empty. Eat clean, stay hydrated, and treat food like fuel, not comfort. The sharper your health, the stronger your focus, the longer your drive. Habit 10. Stay consistent, not perfect. You won't nail every day, and that's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Even on bad days, show up. Consistency builds confidence, and confidence builds success. Winners don't quit when it's hard. They keep showing up until it's easy. These aren't just habits. They're micro-victories that build momentum. Your success is hidden inside your daily routine. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, the person you'll be a year from now is built by what you do today. If this video fired you up, hit subscribe and join the Growth Theory. We drop weekly videos to rewire your mindset, build your discipline, and fuel your success. Remember, growth isn't a moment, it's a lifestyle. Keep learning, keep moving, and stay unstoppable.